Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your digital life with Kaspersky beginner. Start by downloading Kaspersky from the official website. Install the software by following the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, launch Kaspersky. You will be prompted to create an account or log in. If you are a new user, select the option to create an account. Fill in the required information and verify your email address. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available options. Begin with the Quick Scan option to check your device for threats. Click on the Scan button to initiate the quick scan. Once the scan is complete, review the results displayed on your screen. If any threats are found, follow the prompts to quarantine or remove them. Next, navigate to the Settings menu to customize your protection preferences. Enable real-time protection to constantly monitor your device for threats. Activate the firewall feature to block unauthorized access to your network. Schedule regular scans to ensure ongoing security. For added protection, consider enabling the Safe Browsing feature. This helps to safeguard your online activities against malicious websites. Explore additional features such as password management and secure VPN. Set up Kaspersky's password manager to securely store your passwords. For enhanced privacy, connect to the secure VPN before browsing. Regularly update Kaspersky to ensure you have the latest protection. Enable automatic updates in the Settings menu for convenience. Finally, educate yourself about phishing and online safety tips. Regularly review your security settings and perform manual scans. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your digital life with Kaspersky. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.